Hello guys, there we have an INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I will show you how you can perform a reverse Google image search on this device. So, in this phone we have two ways for it, by the Google Lens from the gallery and by the web browser. So I will start from the first one, by the Google Lens. So we have to open the gallery to choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one. Now just click on the little Google Lens icon. And here you can see now Google looking for similar photos automatically. This is the first method. Now the other way, we have to open the web browser. Now just go to the google.com. Now it's very important step, you have to go to the 3-dot icon and enable a desktop site. Then choose this little camera icon and choose upload a photo. Allow a permission and choose the photo that you want to search again. And here you can see now Google looking for similar photos in the web browser. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.